Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
गोंयान टुरिजमाक सीमोमुक्त केल्या उपरांत गोंय सेफ म्हूण टुरिस्ट पॅसेंजर येवंक लागिल्ले. कोविडांतल्यान टुरिजम इंडस्ट्री भायर सरताली. मात कोविडाचे दुसरे ल्हार येता म्हूण महाराष्ट्रान गोंया सयत कांय राज्यांतल्या प्रवाशांचेर निर्बंध घाल्ल्यान परत वाट लागपाची चिन्ना. कितल्याशाच लोकांनी गोंयची ट्रीप रद्द केल्या.
I think Maharashtra government putting in this restriction will definitely affect the tourism because tourists don't like to be. It is a costly affair because there is no clarity on the test charges. Some say it will be 2,500. In Goa, certain thing if they do it, it's 4,500. They have reduced to certain this 3,000. So there is no clarity and there is no cap on the RT-PCR test. Secondly, the overall hotels, a lot of cancellations are coming. And I feel this has already affected 15 to 20% of the hotels. Cancellations are coming on regular basis. Secondly, we request government to check it up. Why the small hotels have still not started? As per government data, out of 4,000 plus official hotels, only 1,100 have started. Of course, the room night wise, more than 60% rooms have started. But balance, why they're not starting?
गोंय वेडिंग डेस्टिनेशन म्हूण फामाद. मात लग्नाचो सीझन सुरू जातनाच महाराष्ट्राच्या विपरीत निर्णयान गोंयाक मार. कितलेशेच वेडिंग प्लॅनर गोंयांत लग्नाचे प्लॅनिंग करूंक तयार ना.
SOPs which Maharashtra government has put in for Goa, it has sent a negative not only for guests coming from Maharashtra, from other states also. The people who are planning weddings in Goa, they are thinking if certain things happens in their state, or if Goa government or any for that matter, if SOPs are being changed in short notice, then they will have a issue in having their wedding plan. And the last wedding have just started from 2 days now, and it is going to last, I believe, till the all Muhurats are up to 15 December. And Goa being a wedding destination, the hotels were expecting the event guys and all small people in trade who are directly, indirectly associated with events were expecting good business, but that will be affected for sure.
केंद्रान इयर एंड मेरेन आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमान प्रवाशांचेर निर्बंध घाल्ल्यान आदींच फॉरेन टुरिस्ट ना. तातूंत आतां देशी टुरिस्टूय ना. इयर एंडाच्या बिझनेसाच्या दिसांनी टुरिजम इंडस्ट्रीत थंड पडपाची चिन्ना. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी.